Hello Goenkans, let us start a new chapter today, coordinate geometry. Let us do introduction to this chapter of coordinate geometry. Then we will try to some textbook questions to make our concept more vivid and clear. So the first thing in this chapter which you people should know is plane. Plane can be explained well with the help of the diagram which I have drawn here. If you look at it, you will find it is a flat surface having two dimensions, length and breadth. Such a flat surface having two dimensions is called a plane. So this is a plane. Now, if you draw two lines, one horizontal and another a vertical line on this plane, it will divide the plane into four parts. This is our first part, second, third and the fourth. So these four parts are being obtained by drawing two lines, one a horizontal, another a vertical line on a plane. Now this plane is called a Cartesian plane. So Cartesian plane is drawn on a flat surface by drawing two lines, one horizontal, another vertical line. The horizontal line drawn on a flat surface or a plane is called x-axis, and the vertical line drawn on a flat surface is called y-axis. The point where they intersect each other, it is called an origin. And the four and the four parts into which the plane has been divided are called quadrants, and they are named in anti-clockwise direction. So first quadrant is this one, second quadrant is this, third one this one, and the fourth one is this one. First, second, third and fourth. So you are going anti-clockwise direction to name the quadrants of the Cartesian plane. Okay, so let us do recapitulation quickly, then we will move on. A flat surface having two dimension is called a plane, and if we draw a horizontal line and a vertical line on a plane, they divide the plane into four parts, and such kind of plane is called a Cartesian plane. In this case, this horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The point where they intersect each other is called the origin, and the four parts into which uh, this Cartesian plane divides a plane uh, are called the quadrants, and they are named in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now, if you look at the first quadrant, you will find that in this quadrant, values of x are positive and values of y are also positive. So, this quadrant is a quadrant wherein you will find value, all the positive values are here. So, we write plus and plus here. Okay. Similarly, in the second quadrant, you will find values of x are negative. Values of x are negative and values of y are positive this side. So in this quadrant you will find values of x are negative and values of y are positive. So you write minus and plus here. Similarly, in the third quadrant you will find values of x are negative and values of y are also negative. So in this third quadrant you will find all the negative values of x and y. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant values of x are positive and values of y are negative. So you will find here uh, x minus y values of x and y. Say values of x are positive and values of y are negative. So this is all about the Cartesian plane. Now when you write the values of x, they are called abscissa and the values of y are called ordinates. And when you combine them in the form of a bracket x comma y, they are called the coordinates or simply order pair, in which first value is the value of x, second value is the value of y. So first value is abscissa and second value is ordinate. Now this is all about the chapter coordinate geometry. Let us uh, show you an example how to plot these coordinates or order pairs on the Cartesian plane. For example, we have been given here a coordinate 2 comma 5 and they are asking us plot it on the Cartesian plane. So we'll draw a Cartesian plane here first by drawing a vertical line and horizontal line. So write them x dash and x axis, then y and y dash. So in the direction of uh, x there are positive values of x, in the direction of x dash there are negative values of x. Similarly, uh, uh, in the direction of y there are positive values of y, in the direction of y dash there will be negative values of y. So since we have 2 positive and 5 also as positive, so it will lie in the first quadrant. Look here, value of x is 2 here, so from 0 you move on 2 steps towards the right side, that is x side, where the positive values of x lie. So 1 2 you are here at present, but from here you have to move 5 steps in the direction of y, because value of y is here given 5 and it is also positive, so it will be in upward direction like this. So you move from this place, you move from 2 5 steps upwards and you will reach here. So this point this point here is a point which represents 2 comma 5. So in this way you can plot these coordinates on the Cartesian plane. Hope you have understood. Do similar questions from the textbook. Uh, it will help you to make the concept strong. Thank you very much. Bye, Goenkans.